What's up everyone, welcome back to this channel. And what a week it was in crypto, especially with the CPI and FOMC meeting and also with the YMCA, right? Do you know about the YMCA? It's a very important number. You have to definitely check it out because it influences the crypto prices. Yes, of course I'm joking because I actually don't care at all about the news, and let me tell you why I don't care about the news. Check out the strategy that I'm using here. And by the way, if you're new around here, we're doing algorithmic trading on this channel, especially trend following algorithmic trading, which is pretty special. Almost nobody does that. And the reason why I don't care is because when you get a buy signal and then you get a sell signal and you make 40% profit, and then you get another buy signal and then you get another sell signal and you make another 43% profit without doing anything, okay? It's fully automatic. Do I really care what kind of news triggered these buy and sell signals in the past? Do I care, or do I actually care about the actual performance of this strategy? All right, as you can see here, the actual performance since 2018 is basically this one, where it made 2,900% profit, 70% win rate, 8.8 profit factor, 15% max drawdown. In any case, why I'm telling you all of this is because everyone is going bananas about the freaking news and they look at the numbers. So yeah, we have actually here CPI being 0.1 percentage points lower than expected. Ooh, are you kidding me, guys? What the hell? Who cares? And then here we have like the first projected rate cut being in September here with 56.7% probabilities what the market thinks will happen. But the market is always wrong about this stuff. Okay, guys, it's always wrong. Okay, what really matters is what the chart is doing. And right now the chart is showing me that there is an uptrend, and yes, we had a buy signal right here, and yes, we are actually below the buy price, and yes, it's not cool, but this shit happens, right? Like here it was below the buy price and then boom, right, it shot up. Right here as well, let me go actually way back. Here it was below the buy price and bam, it shot up afterwards. This shit happens all the time. Okay, the whole point here is to have a strategy that follows the trend. So do I really care about all of this news and exactly what every single word from Jerome Powell means? And no, I don't care. Okay, and yes, I know he had a purple tie, and purple tie means bullish. And also, by the way, what means bullish is when Michael drinks coffee from the green cup, right? Green candles, green coffee cup. Cheers. Now you can interpret that as well as bullish. And by the way, today I had a call with a guy that I met in Dubai last year. Last year I met a guy somewhere around here when I was in Dubai speaking at the Blockchain Live conference. And I told the guy, listen, there is a buy signal already. I bought Bitcoin fully automatically. You might want to consider checking it out. And the guy said, nah, I'm not into Bitcoin, whatever. And today I had a call with him and he said, man, I wish I actually listened to you and checked out the chart or bought some freaking Bitcoin, because actually since then it went up more than 100%, which is what we made here with this strategy, right? So, you know, people are regretting it because they don't actually yet know that this shit works, but this works, okay? So if you are one of these people who want to wait and see and then decide later and everything, yeah, sure, you can do that. And later it can be basically right here at like 300,000, okay? When you come and when you're ready to say, yeah, it worked actually fine, the strategy is cool, you missed the whole cycle, all right? So I'm telling you, you have to have a strategy and you have to figure out how to follow the strategy and how to not mess it up, because otherwise you will miss out on all of this. And if you are still searching for a good strategy, you can do two things. Either you can subscribe to this channel and simply watch what I'm doing with my strategies on a weekly basis, because I'm going to share exactly that with you fully for free. And on top of that, I have a lot of education about algorithmic trading on this channel. Go and check out the playlists. But if you want to have access to my knowledge, to my strategies and the community, and also our very own automation software that makes it much easier to automate called Signum, then make sure to click the link down below. I have a masterclass called Auto Trading. And if you want to join, then make sure to go there, click apply for access, and I talk to you later. All I'm saying here is that I don't really care about this news, because the chart is the only thing that actually carries the actual signal that we need in order to make a decision to buy or sell. Now, all of these things that I'm sharing with you right now in this video on this channel, it's just what I do, okay? You can do other things, but this is some inspiration, some entertainment for you as well. but some inspiration on what you could be doing, which is get a strategy, automate the strategy, and then go to work, go to the beach, do other things. Don't mess with it too much because you would mess it up, right? Basically, humans are really terrible traders, okay? So it's much better to leave it to a strategy, and it's much better to leave it to a trend following strategy that actually cannot get faked out or into a trade because it takes time to play out, which is actually good, right? It's good for trending assets. And this is a trending asset because it's pretty obvious uptrend, downtrend, okay? Uptrend and hopefully more uptrend, we will see, right? And so Bitcoin proved time and time again that it's actually a trending asset. And that's why there is a trend following strategy that makes sense, right? So this is what I do. And this is why I don't really give too much F's about what people say, the ETF, no ETF, whatever. I don't care, okay? The most important thing is what the strategy is doing. Okay, let's go into the strategy. What is happening right now? So on Bitcoin, you have seen already, there is a buy signal. I do expect that this actually will end up bullish and make money because the strategy has a 70% win rate. Okay, so that means that this is a 70% probability that it will actually play out to make money. Let's see, might be wrong. By the way, if you think that I'm getting wrecked with this trade here on the screen, okay, this one here, then post it down below. Let me know what you think. Actually, let me put myself over here. Tell me how you think this trade will end up. Will it actually close positive or will it close negative? Post it down below. Okay, having said that, let's check as well Ethereum and other assets just for fun. We go to Ethereum here. Ethereum also has a buy signal right here. This was a pump from a tweet, which pumped it way more than it should have been. And this was where the ETF actually got approved. So it was so funny, like a day before, that's it, right? It was pumping like crazy. In any case, nothing much happened here, but yes, it is, let's say, bearish or neutral as long as it goes sideways mostly, and it has to break above this line. But again, do I care? No, I have my buy signal and that's it. Now this strategy also is obviously working very well on Ethereum. On Solana, we have a situation where we had a buy and a sell signal already. So basically it got out of the trade, made a small loss here because the trend doesn't look good. Actually, the price is below the green line, but that's not why it sold. It sells when the trend turns around, which is what happened here. If you zoom in a lot, you will see that. But before that, we had massive profits here on Solana as well, and also massive downside protection as well, because the trend strategy, right? So basically, when the trend is down, then the strategy is out. As you can see here, it's 27,000% profit with 36% max drawdown. And you can see the rest of the numbers here since basically here June 2020, right? So that was the first buy signal here. In any case, those are the assets I want to show you. I am following my strategy and I want to share with you what the strategy is doing so that you can make up your mind. The reason I'm doing this, instead of telling you my opinion on the chart and drawing 50 lines and everything, is because I think this is way more actionable and also it is way more honest than moving lines around every second day or so. I do these videos once a week because my trend following strategies don't make decisions every day, which is actually a good thing. So making videos more often, updating you on the strategy wouldn't help anyone. But if you want to have the latest information about the trading signals, let's say there is a sell signal within the week or a buy signal within the week, then definitely make sure to join the Telegram group. The link is down below, and also follow me on Twitter because that's where I post these kind of things in almost real time whenever I am awake, right? And so basically this is what's happening right now. On Bitcoin, I'm super bullish. On Ethereum, I am moderately bullish. On Solana, I'm ultra bullish. And so I am waiting for actually a conclusion of Bitcoin first, and then the rest will follow suit. So I am super mega bullish. It's a new technical term, okay? You can write it down below. Super mega bullish, comment down below. I have the green coffee cup, which means that I am bullish. Whenever you see me with the red coffee cup, it means I am bearish. It's quite simple. And I see you in the next video. By the way, watch this video next. Actually, wait, it's on the other side. Watch this video next where I show you how to automate the strategy, completely automate it to buy and sell on your exchange. I do this with Bybit because it's very easy. Go there, check it out, and I see you over there. Cheers.